Hi, and welcome to another episode of Be Creative. Today I want to talk to you about space. As we all know, we just exist in space and time, and space is inherent to what we do when we create art. You need to think of space not only as the thing in which you exist, but also as something that you create. So this space, as we can see here, is completely artificial. It's in the basement, in my studio. It's not my studio, I share it with a lot of other people, and this is just my little corner. I don't know, might look overwhelming or underwhelming to you, depending on where you're standing. If you're making music at all, you might recognize some things. Doesn't matter that much, but what's important is this is a space where I can express myself freely, and I try to create it as good as possible for what I try to achieve, which is making great music. So counts for every other art. You have to create a space, no matter how big or small it is, which is dedicated to your art. The temple that you enter when you decide to make art. When you decide now is a good time, you need to have a space which already exists. You need to have a space which is there for you. It doesn't have to be big, it doesn't have to be a full room. It just needs to be a space where you know whenever you want to make something that it is accessible to you. And how to make such a space. This is how this room looked like 6 years ago. And now it looks like this. And it's just a matter of time. And whatever equipment you have, it doesn't matter. It's just important to have those spaces or to always, yeah, fight and make them accessible for yourself. If the space is about to serve you, then you have to serve the space and treat it as something holy, in my opinion. It's a chapel. It's a sacred place where you're gonna make art, and it can be in your bedroom, it can be in your office, it can be a big atelier. It doesn't matter, but just some sort of space you should create. The space is there to hold you, to guide you, to expand yourself, to contract yourself. Everything's allowed in your space, like everything's allowed in your art. Try things out, make mistakes. Think of Bob Ross, we don't make mistakes here, just happy little accidents. And so, yes. My link for today is going to be something of Bob Ross. I don't know. I will find something. Make it comfortable. Make your space nice. Make it cozy. Make it just like you want your art to be. Treat the space in which you create your art as a piece of art itself. And as always, if you enjoyed my video, check out my homepage, check out my music, or write me in the comments down below, send me a message on YouTube. As always, I want to offer you my support as a creative coach, and if you're interested in what coaching is, check out my website. What I offer is a structured way of different tools and techniques, how you can easily get to your goal, make a decision about things, and so on. So feel free to write me a mail at coaching@michael-marquardt.com. I'm glad to help you. Have a nice day. Bye.